Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Wake&Tech. Today, I'm back with another tutorial video on how you can easily log into your Berkshire online banking account using a desktop. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now let's jump right in. Open up a web browser of your choice. In the address box that pops up at the top of the screen, type in www.berkshirebank.com and press enter on your keyboard. You'll end up in the official website of Berkshire Bank, which looks like this. Go to the top right hand and you should see a login button. Simply give it a click and a login area will pop up on your display. From the drop down, choose your login in type and give it a click. Now, type in your user ID that is associated with your online banking account into the text box. If you're not enrolled into online banking yet for Berkshire Bank, click on Enroll Now link beneath the user ID box. Follow the on-screen prompts so that you can register yourself for a new online banking account. After you're done entering your user ID, click on Continue. Now, you'll need to go ahead and log into your account with a security code. Click on Continue with Security Code and choose your phone number from Select Phone Number category. Once you do that, choose whether you'd like to receive a call from the selected number with your one-time passcode or text message. Let me click the text option and click Continue. On the next page, you'll be receiving a text message in the particular number with a one-time code. Simply type in the code that you received and click Submit. Soon after I hit Submit, you'll be able to get access to your Berkshire online banking account right away from your computer. With an online banking account, you can get easy access to your bank account right from your computer or your mobile devices whenever or wherever you are, check your transactions, pay your bills, and much more. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.